Children, as you know, we all are facing a hard time because of coronavirus. It is affecting all of us in each manner, and of course, it is affecting our studies also. It is difficult to decide how much more will it take to normalize the situation. But with the facility of internet, we can utilize this time for studies, also by e-learning. I, Rashi Saxena, going to take your maths learning session.
ठीक है.
Today, we are starting with chapter 1, Knowing Our Numbers. Children, you know what are numbers? Numbers which are formed with the help of digits. Like we are taking an example 6, 4, 64. 6 is a digit and 4 is also a digit. And they are together with making a number 64. Now, while comparison of two numbers, how do we compare? Like we are taking one another example, say 64 and 9. Now, you can compare them easily by saying that 64 is having two digits and 9 is having only one digit. So, we can easily compare that 64 is greater than 9. Now, taking one more example, say 64 and 28. Now, both 64 and 28 are having two digits. So, then we will check the first digit. Here 6 and here 2. 6 is greater than 2. Then 64 will be greater than 28. Now, if we are comparing 645 with say 9, 2, 3. Again, we should compare the first digit only and it will give you the answer that 9 is greater than 6 and 923 is greater than 645. But if we are having numbers like 645 and say 624, then what we will do, we will compare, we will check that first digits are same, then we jump upon the second digit. Compare the second digits 4 and 2. 4 is greater than 2, then the number 645 will be greater than 624. Taking one more example like 6, 4, 5 and 643. First digits are equal, second digits are equal. Then we compare third digits. 5 is greater than 3, then 645 is greater than 643. Children, you can understand that each digit is having its own place value. To understand this, we have to learn the place value chart. There are two types of system of numeration. First is Indian system of numeration and second is international system of numeration. Yes. First we study about Indian place value chart. It is also called Indian system of numeration. Now, there are four periods in Indian place value chart. In this place value chart, first period will be ones, second of thousands, third lakhs, fourth crores. Ones will represent the first unit digit. Tens, 1010, hundreds, 100, thousands, 1000, 10,000, 10000, lakh, 1 and 5 zeros, 10 lakh, 10 and then 5 zeros, crore, 1 crore, 1 and 6 zeros. Yes, sorry, crore. 1 crore is having 1 and 7 zeros. Then 10 crores, 10 and then 7 zeros. Yes. Children, you should learn this place value chart. And how do we use these place value chart? We can use this place value chart like use of comma. How do we put comma in Indian system of numeration? In Indian system of numeration, the first comma is placed after one period, that is after 100, then after second period, after thousands, and then lakhs, and then crores. How? Take one example. Say 6583471. Now, how do we put commas? After first period, that will be your ones, tens, hundred, first period, comma before first period, then comma before second periods, thousands, 10,000s, comma, lakh, 10 lakh. So, how do we read this number? 65 lakh 83,471. Similarly, take one more example. 84793,123. Now, how do we put the commas? Before past period, second period, and third period. Now, how do we read this number? 8 lakh, 8 crore हो गया ये, 8 crore 47 lakh 93,123. Next, we'll study about face value of a number and place value. Place value, as you know by the place value chart, that to find a place value of any number, it depends on its position. Like we are taking an example, say 9234. The place of 9 in this number is 9,000. 9000. Similarly, the place value of 3 will be 30. 30. The place value of 2 is 200. And the place value of 4 is 4. And when we are talking about face value does not depend on the position of the number. Like if we want the face value of 9, it will 9 only. When we have to find the face value of 2, it is 2 only. Face value of 3, 3, and face value of 4 is 4. Now take one more example. Say 9, 7, 3, 2, 4. And the question is find the face value and place value of 3 in the given number. Then face value of 3 will be 3, and place value, which depends on the position of the number, of 3 will be 300. Next we read about formation of the smallest and greatest number using the given digits. I will explain this. Next, we study about formation of the smallest and greatest number using the given digits. I will explain it by taking an example like from greatest and smallest four-digit number by using 5, 3, 2, and 9. While forming greatest four-digit number, what we have to do? We have to write these four digits in descending order, like greatest, next, 3, 2. What we have done? We have written the four digits in the descending order, and we will get the greatest four-digit number. And it is greatest four-digit number by using these four digits. And for finding the smallest four-digit number, what we have to do? We have to write these four digits in ascending order: 2, 3, 5, 9. And by putting the comma, we can read the numbers. The greatest four-digit number will be 9532, and the smallest four-digit number by using 5329 will be 2359. Okay, children, that's all for today. We will start tomorrow with International System of Numeration and their system of using commas and all. Thank you.